Thank you very much for the invitation. I'm proud to be here and representing what BIMS has been done since 2014, our year of foundation. We were pioneer in Portugal with BIM. Actually, I think I was the first one or the second one to use the Revit map in Portugal. So it's been quite a journey to create this company that started with only 3 people, and right now we are almost like 100, and we are growing because very recently we have a new shareholder that is from Norwegian, and it will allow us to increase a lot in terms of skills, of course, and value, and of course making what we are doing the best, that is using BIM to have a better performance and better results through all the construction sector. So, So, BIMS CTS Nordics is our new shareholder that will help us to grow a lot in Europe. Everyone knows that 12 trillions, we spend 12 trillions in construction industry. That's a lot, but we use the same way, we build the same way, we design the same way 20 years ago, so it's always the same. So everyone knows that we need to innovate. Everyone knows that we need to have technological tools that get better performance, but it's very hard to do that. So right now we are facing shortage of skills, shortage of resources. It's become a very recent problem. And we, of course, faced with this, we need to have more data, more integration, and of course we need to go and step forward to use new technologies and new solutions to build and operate our projects better. So this is our vision, and through all the 100 resources that we have, we reserve about 10% of the resources to innovate. Innovate is the key point of our company, and through all the different stages, we want always to join knowledge, project integration, that is our main skill, and expand that with new technologies to get better optimization, efficiency, efficacy, security, and reliability. So, how can we meet this? We have 3 words: unify, simplify, and amplify. These are the 3 key words to join our efforts in a full integrated digital solution platform that can help us to integrate all the information on the projects and go through the different stages without losing of any information and get more robust results. So what is MES for IECO? Is a platform that tends to be totally collaborative in a full collaborative environment, to manage our construction projects through all the life cycle. We want, of course, to unify insights, simplify actions, amplify results, brings every agent together, from concept to design, construction, and operation, facilitating the parameterization of data. That is very important. The information that we get from others to use by thirds or other agents that can facilitate our work through all the different stages of the projects. So this platform obviously intends to be interoperability, of course, to integrate all the information through the different agents and to the different stages, and of course give us a unique possibility for full collaboration through the design matrix. So we know that 2 projects are alike. There's no one solution fits all. So we need to understand that and to create dynamic solutions, so everyone in different projects, different type of projects, different specialties can gather and work together in a single solution that could bring us benefits to all. So we divide this in two basic pillars. The framework, that's the project's DNA. It's important that we know that building in China is different. We have different regulations, different ways for different laws in China than we have in America. So we need to create what's the pillar of the structure of the project. Then we need to adapt the template, and of course, during the projects we have different tasks to do, different deliverables, but they are different through all the specifications of the projects, through all the specifications of the building or type of building. So we create these two pillars, the framework and the template, that be together during the introduction of the project. So the purpose is to integrate information management in the industry, to get processes that are very well defined through a holistic approach, of course, and we want to create a seamless collaboration between all the agents and all the efforts that are produced on the project, so everyone can take advantage of that. And we want to have a tool that is full interoperability, and of course we want to achieve a global collaboration with a local impact. So the software, how it works, in fact it's a platform, cloud platform, that is based on three main tools. MScope, that is our how we define the project, how we specify the projects, how we locate the project. The M-Site is a tool that allows us to see the model. Everyone needs to see the model, even the client and the owner. They don't need to use Revit, Tekla, or other software. The platform must open the model, and everyone can see that, needs to see that. And the source, that is more like a common data environment that is centralized and organized. We defend that a document should be single, should be only one document, but this document needs to evolve through different versions and revisions. So we, at stage 1 or stage 2, we can develop, for example, a drawing of architecture, and this drawing will evolve during the different stages until the end over. Of course, we intend to develop more tools for this software, like M-Schedule, M-Sheets, M-Specs, M-Sentry. We are already preparing that, but right now we are just presenting these three tools. So this is the first page. You can check on www.mes4aeco.com. You can join us. When you enter on this, you can create a project. You see the project. You can specify the title of project. You can have your own reference, and you can also have one more code if you want to use some file naming convention that is important for the client or for yourselves. Then you need to choose the framework that you are like to use on this project, and then you can submit and create your project. Of course, at the beginning, you are the manager. This intends to be created by the project manager of the project, of course, but you can be the manager, or you can collaborate simply, or even be the guest on the project. So everyone can enter on this project and use this project. So, next one, you need, of course, to create a project. For example, if you have an hospital, of course, you have the building, and you have the road, and you have the heliport. This is the same project most of the times, but you need to hire different agents, different skills, different contracts. So it is important that the project can allow us to create different units, because they will touch. And so the project manager and the owner needs to see everything, and sometimes the teams need to speak because they may face the boundaries will touch, and so everyone can be needs to see the project and have the whole information. This is the purpose of this is everyone can have the information. So as we create the units, you define the basic information, you define the templates, like I said before. You can choose different templates. That is more or less an easy way to create a project and a unit. You use a template that is fit for purpose for what you are doing. Of course, after you can change or update this, the information that you have on this template. You have a global dashboard in each unit, so you can track all the informations, the unit progress, life cycle benchmark. You also get information of the tasks, of the deliverables, the agents that are contributing for the project. And you can define also the life cycle. What you expect. It's very important that you define, even is not true at this moment, but you need to define what you expect in terms of starting dates, ending dates, what you expect in each stage, what's the budget for this construction. So everyone can be clear how many stages do we have during the project and in what time do we need to finish them. Another tab, you invite all the agents, so everyone knows each other. Everyone has the direct contact of the other person. It happens a lot of times. We are in big projects and we don't know people that are in the other side, and we need to contact them. Here you are allowed to have all the information here, and you track all the people during the different stages, and you allocate the responsibilities, not only in terms of what you expect from them, but also related to the classification system that we have inside. Then, of course, you need to have tasks for them. So it's very useful when you have a list of tasks. Everyone can respect these tasks, and of course, sorry. Okay. I think the title is wrong, but you can send tasks to them. Okay, you can add tasks to each agent, and you can track these tasks or update these tasks, so everyone can know what they need to present. Of course, if this task delivers or becomes a deliverable, of course you track all this information, and you automatically can put the deliverable on the common data environments. Elements is important, so everyone is related to the elements, and of course deliverables is the result of everything. The deliverables you can have several tasks to different deliverables, and you can see which collaborators do you have on the platform for that specific deliverable. The other part is MSite. Is a simple tool that you can also have on site. It's a simple way to get the latest model and integrate all the models on site. This is, of course, very simple. You cannot model here, but you can track all the information. You can cut, you can clip, plan, you can explode, and everyone is invited to see what's going on the construction. You also can annotate on MSite. That is a very recent improve on that, so you can send to the design team and they can make some changes. And finally, you have the M-Source, where you can gather all the information, of course, to ISO, through all the standards that you need to put the information, so you can track all the information inside, and you have all just one information. You put one information and you keep updating the information, and in 2 or 3 steps you can get information that we need inside the M-Source. So we have a stand there. I'm pretty sure that João Ribeiro will explain much better than myself the software, but we are here and you are invited to speak with us. And you can be one of the early adopters of the platform. If you can register, I'm pretty sure that you have soon very good benefits for yourselves, and help us to create this platform. And thank you very much for your attention.